Well, hey guys, John at Fix Fence. It's been a while since I've been on this video here, and one of the reasons why is because, man, I fell down not too long ago, probably about a month ago, and I fell on my ass. And anyway, I didn't think about it too much then, but I kept working with it, and then next thing you know, I started having a pain in my ass. I've been diagnosed as a pain in the ass. So I went to the doctor. I'm a VA, veteran, so I went up to the VA and they diagnosed me as a pain in the ass. No, it's called sacroiliitis, and it's inflammation between the spine and the pelvic bone. Sacroiliitis. It's just nothing I want to wish on anybody, the sacroiliitis. 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 So my tagline's mending broken fences with sacroiliitis. It's mending broken asses. Content is king. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. I'll get some of this fence stuff out to you as soon as I can. With sacroiliitis, I'm just another pain in the ass. Broken butts. Keep smiling. Have a great day.